Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and a restore point available. Once you have that, get into the recovery environment. If Windows boots, open Settings Update and Security Recovery and restart now under Advanced Startup. If it won't boot, force restart 3 times to trigger automatic repair, then choose Advanced Options. This gets you precisely where System Restore lives. Make sure to pick Troubleshoot then Advanced Options so you can access the only reliable restore flow. Once in Advanced Options, select System Restore and then choose the Windows installation to repair. You'll see a list of restore points. Pick one by date and time that predates the problem. Make sure to click Scan for affected programs so you understand which apps or drivers will be removed or restored. Confirm the choice. Read the summary carefully because System Restore changes system files and settings but does not alter your personal documents, which is why it's safe for configuration rollbacks. You'll click Next and finish to start the operation. System Restore will warn that it cannot be interrupted, so let it run and allow the PC to reboot automatically. After restart, sign in and verify the system state and key applications. Make sure the original problem is gone. If you don't see any restore points, enable system protection on the drive and run chkdsk or check volume shadow copy. These steps recover restore functionality before you try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.